Hi, second grade. We're going to go ahead and start with chapter 2. This is add in any order. You're going to add any order to find a sum. So we're going to use this chart today to find a sum. So sum, don't forget, is addition. Okay, so like 2 plus 2 is 4, right? So the sum is 4, the answer when you add something. It says change the order of the add-ins. So you can change them. So if I had 2 plus 3, I could have 3 plus 2. They're the same thing, right? Write a new equation. All right, so let's go ahead and look at the bottom. Okay, it says some equations. Okay, so it says 5 plus 6. So it doesn't matter which one you use, but I'm going to use my right hand for the 5 and my left hand for the 6. Okay, so find 5 and then find 6. Okay, now very carefully go down this column until you are about level with the other finger. Now go down this row until you meet your fingers on one square. What did you end on? That one. What number is in that square? 11. So go down here. 5 plus 6 equals 11. Okay, now I'm going to flip those. So this says 5 plus 6. Let's go over here. Let's write 6 plus 5, okay? Now, I'm going to use this finger now to go to 6, the right hand, and the other one to go to 5. I'm going to go down the column until I meet up with the other one, down the row, across, and I end on a square. I'm going to go ahead and color that in. Okay, what number do I also land on? 11. So 6 plus 5 equals 11. Okay? They're different squares, but they're the same answer. So no matter which way I ask it, it still equals 11. 5 first plus 6 equals 11. 6 first plus 5 also equals 11. So it doesn't matter which order. Let's try this bottom one. 4 plus 9. So I'm going to use my right finger for the 4 and my left finger for the 9. Okay, go down the column until I meet up with the other one. And go across, I land on number. So I'm going to go ahead and color in that number. Okay, what number did I land on? 13. Okay, now instead of 4 being first, 4 plus 9, write 9 plus 4. Okay, now take your finger. My right finger is going to go to 9. My left finger is going to go to 4. I'm going to go down. I'm going to go across. Okay, and I land on that number. What number did I land on? 13. Okay, so you see, 4 plus 9 equals 13. And if I flip it, 9 plus 4 also equals 13. Good. All right, go ahead and flip the page. Okay, so our example up here is showing some linking cubes. 4 are red and 7 are blue. 4 plus 7 equals 11. Okay, we call these addends because we're adding them. So that one by itself is 4, of course, but we call it an addend because it's being added to another one. That's also an addend because it's being added. And then over here, 11 is the sum. Remember that? Sum is the total of something I just added. 4 plus 7 is 11. The sum is 11. Okay? The opposite is also 11. So if I flip them, so instead of 4 being first, we have 7 plus 4. That also equals 11. Okay, so let's try number 1. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 orange blocks. 1, 2, 3 blue blocks. When you add them together, you get 9. Now, we're going to flip them, but let's see, right? 1, 2, 3, yep, 3 is first now. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, second, and that still equals 9. Okay? All right, let's go on to number 2. This one is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus, just 1 green. That equals 6. Oh, look it. You just flip them again. So we have 1 first now, plus 5. That equals 6, 2. Good job. Okay, down here, it says find the sum. Remember, sum means adding. So what's the answer to add something? Then change the order of the addends. Write the new equation. 8 plus 2. So it says find the sum. So what is it? 10. Good job. Then change the order of the addends. Those are my addends. Change the order of them. So instead of 8 being first, 2 is going to be first. What number is going to go there? 8. Okay, and then does that still equal 10? Yes, 10. Okay, let's try this one. 4 plus 3. 7. Now, what's going to go there? Here's an addend, here's an addend. Are you going to write 4 plus 3? No, because look at 4 plus 3 is over there. So you're going to write 3 plus 4, and that equals 7. Okay, pause the video and do 5 through 9 by yourself, and then check it. Okay, let's go over the answers to 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. You ready? You should have worked on them by yourself. If not, pause and go ahead and do them. All right, here we go. Here is the answers right now. Good. All right, how'd you do? Did you get confused about these two right here? Don't forget, equations, you can write them with the equals on either side. It could be over here, or look at on this side, it could be over there. Okay, so it could be on the right side or the left side. Still the same thing. Okay, this is interesting. Let's do this number 10. Dig deeper. Okay, so this is interesting because there's no numbers. Okay, so it just says the moon plus this flower equals the star. Over here, this flower plus moon equals the star. And they're giving us the shapes over here. What could that be right there? Well, we have a moon and that. So that's our flower. Flower and what? Well, it's going to equal that. Well, it's over there, so it can't be the star. The moon, if I put the moon there, that would make sense because they would just be the opposite. They'd be like changing the atoms like we did up here, right? Okay, that one probably works. There's no hearts. Definitely can't be that. And we already did a flower, so it can't really be that flower. So yes, it's the moon. Good.